Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do It. As part of the Python interview question series, I will discuss the solutions to the important and tricky Python questions asked during the interview process. Okay, without delay, let's jump into the main part of this video. The question asked here is to print the even or odd numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, let's solve this. So first you need to understand what is an even number and what is an odd number. Even number is a number which generates the remainder as 0 when it is divided by 2. Number divided by 2 generates the remainder as 0. Remember, in Python this is used to get the remainder. This operator is used to get the remainder. I will show you how it works. An odd number is a number which on division with 2 produce the remainder as 1. Okay, so we know the even numbers and odd numbers. Let's check it out by dividing it with 2. 3 is an odd number. When it is divided by 2, it gives the remainder as 1. You can see the remainder here, it is 1, so it is an odd number. Okay, this percentage operator we are using to get the remainder. Okay, likewise 4% 2 gives the remainder 0, so we will use the percent operator to get the remainder. Now going to our question, to print the even or odd numbers from 0 to 10. For I in 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's try to print all the values first. Okay, so using the for loop, what I am doing is I am iterating over the array of values. During each iteration, one value will be printed using the print operation. Okay, now what I am going to do, before printing I will include one condition. What is my condition? The condition is if I %2 double equal to 0. That means when the remainder is 0, when the number is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, then only print the number. So what it will print? It will print all the even numbers. A slight modification, we can print the odd numbers also. So what is an odd number? When it is divided by 2 and generates the remainder as 1, it is an odd number. Let's try to print this. Okay, but actually you don't need to write like this. Okay, you don't need to write all the numbers in an array like this. What is the case if the interviewer asks you to print the number, write a program to print the numbers from 1 to 100? That time you don't need to specify like this. Okay, what you can do is you can just make use of the range function. Okay, from 0 to 10, it prints the same thing. Now let's check the conditions. So after solving this, the interviewer may ask you some other conditions, like print all the numbers in the same line. What you can do? Simple, you can use the parameter end equal to space. So what it will do is it will print all the values in the same line. Separated by the space. Okay, now he may ask you to print the number separated by asterisk. You can simply replace the space with, you can simply give the asterisk here. Or if you don't want anything, any space also, you can just give the double quotes, that is enough. Okay, this is how you can solve the condition with comma separating the values. Okay, simple. You can just put comma there, and what else? Print in reverse order. So this, in the range function itself, there is a other parameter called as step increment or decrement value. By default the value is 1, but when you give -1, what happens is it will print all the numbers in reverse direction. So without this without this condition, let's try to print all the numbers and see how it is printing. Okay, but yeah, I did a mistake. The thing is, it should start from 10 to 1, 10 to 0. You can see that here. Now you can add the condition. Print the even numbers in reverse direction. Print the even odd numbers or even numbers in the same line in reverse direction. So this is how you can solve the question. Hope you understood this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you want any solution, if you want solution for any Python question, you can ask that question in the comment section. I will try to solve it in my later videos. Thank you.